phone. Lami lagi kay kag camera mau.
Ini cuma kamera. Uy, ito pa sila kasa.
Kinsa ni?
Ako tayo pasa na to pasa. Oh, hindi ba yun? Wala ya mama. Oh my God.
Hala utin. Hi guys. Kinsa ni? Grabe mga filter yung cellphone na ay.
Good afternoon. Congratulations.
Bye guys.
2023-2024.
Sa daw. Pasok ka.
You are now embarking on a new
Hi guys, so I'm asa man ni?
so much more reasons.
Hi guys, so we are the graduating students from Bernardo de Carpio National High School. Mga mag-graduating sa likod guys.
To your teachers, to your classmates and peers, and to yourselves for emerging as champions amidst challenges you encountered. The road ahead of you now may again be uncertain, and you are all going to meet new challenges and opportunities
Ang dami ba
that
namang
will help you
cellphone?
meet
Wala puti lagi ko
success.
diri alaw.
Your determination, resilience, passion, and courage have
Bay
been
malan.
your best armor.
Sino ginulibat ko?
And you were able to embrace
Ipasa na po.
of
Isi,
these
oh, ikaw na po,
challenges.
isi.
Just remember that after this very day, each of these obstacles you will be facing will be an opportunity for you to grow and learn more. Yes, you have learned a lot inside your classrooms, but you learn more because of your experiences, your friendships, and your failures.
Hoy,
Dream more and pursue.
paminaw.
You celebrate every accomplished task. Your journey is unique and not easy. Be positive always, or that is what will keep you going. Your success is not your destination because it is your way of life. Believe in yourselves because success don't just happen. You make it happen. Congratulations and remember,
Nasa mani?
ang diskarte, asa? Asa? Naa sa inyo ha. So from this day on, and tonight, and tomorrow,
Kaya sa maning phone.
a new day, a new day, and a new
Oh
hope.
my God.
And I'd like you to wave and say hi, hello, once again to your friends.
I'm passing this phone sa ambot. Kaya kinsa maning cellphone.
Hi, hello, your
Ay.
friends.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my God. Dami kay filter. Pang Korean.
Sinabihan mo
Ato iPhone, Loy.
hindi si Mama ang sinabihan mo yan. Kasi in your days